Alright guys, so today we're working on this 1997 Jeep Wrangler, and the map sensor, which is right here, has a plug, and this particular plug, the wires are peeled back, all the shielding's off of them. So I'm going to try to pop these completely out of this housing and then put some shrink wrap on them and then slide them back up in there, and hopefully we'll get rid of the problem with this grounding out and grounding on each other, or at least the wires touching each other. So this has got a little sleeve here that goes up inside this housing that keeps the water out. I'm gonna try to slide this down. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna trim the rest of this electrical tape. Try not to cut into the wires. Okay. I had all those wires loose. So I have a yellow, a green, and an orange. Let's try to slide this way back here. See if I can't pop these out. One. There's two. Yellow, green, and orange. You gotta remember that so when I put them back, they go in the right way. Okay, so that's the connector. So now I'm gonna clean these off a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but there's wire showing on that one. There's wire showing on this one. And there's a whole lot of wire showing on this one. The shielding's completely gone. The issue I was having was the Jeep would start initially for a second and immediately die. And I think this might have been the problem. Not 100% sure, but it definitely isn't helping anything. So I'm gonna take this heat shrink, slide it over the connectors, maybe. So I don't have orange, I've got yellow and green for heat shrink. So the orange one I may use red or black or some different color. Put the green one on, try to do it the same way. Slide it over the connector, real gentle. Get that in place. Now let me grab another one, probably red. Okay, see if this one will fit. Looks like it will. It'll be real close. Okay, now I'm gonna get the torch and heat these up one by one. Okay. So now I'm gonna let those cool for just a second until they're cool to the touch anyway. So had yellow, green, and orange, I believe is what I said before. So these will pop back in with the clip up. Just like that. That one's locked in. Green's in the middle. It's locked in. And there's yellow. I'm gonna slide this weather piece up in here. It helps keep the water and stuff out. I don't know what it's called. Okay. That looks factory for sure. Okay, now this little red piece came out right here. It holds these clips in place so they don't slide out. So I'm just sliding that right back down in there, pushing it in tight. Then I'm gonna take some electrical tape, wrap that back up, plug it back in, and we'll start it up and see if it works. As you can see, I've got this rag in here so that I don't get junk down in the throttle body. Not perfect, but hopefully that'll work. Make sure I don't have any trash down in there. Plug this back in to the map sensor. These old Jeeps take a beating, so I hope I don't have a bunch more like that. I don't think I do, but it's really hard to tell. All this wire loom covering everything. All right, let's see if it starts. Like it runs pretty good. Still got to change the plugs and do a few other things to it.